Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Cancer. Are you ready for a kindergarten number story? Let's get started. During today's number story, you are going to use an equation, a number bond, and a drawing to show how to subtract today, kindergarten. Kindergarten, let's read our number story together. Ready? Read. There are 18 ants on the ground. Some ants crawled away. Now there are 6 ants remaining. How many ants crawled away? Kindergarten, let's reread our story once again and listen for important numbers and information that will show us how we should solve this number story for today. Listen carefully. Ready? Read. There are 18 ants on the ground. Some ants crawled away. Now there are 6 ants remaining. How many ants crawled away? Kindergarten, what important information did you hear? Do you think we're going to be adding or subtracting today? You guessed it. Today's number story is a subtraction story. We know this because in our story, we heard words like crawled away and remaining. Crawled away means something was taken from the whole. Remaining means there's something left that we can count. Let's figure out what important numbers we heard next. Kindergarten, give a thumbs up if you heard the numbers 18 and 6. Wowee, me too. Kiss your brain. 18 represents the number of ants there were all together, kindergarten. And 6 represents the number of ants that were left after some were taken away. We want to figure out how many ants were taken away. How should we draw this story? Kindergarten, this is a great opportunity for you to get out your pencil and a piece of paper and problem solve alongside me. Ready? Go. Okay, kindergarten, we've learned that we have 2 numbers to work with. 18 ants altogether and 6 ants remaining. We always start with you got it, the total, the biggest number. That means we're going to draw how many ants. You guessed it, 18. We're not going to draw those 18 circles any kind of way, are we, kindergarten? No way. We're going to make sure that we draw very neat rows in a 5 group of 18. A 5 group of 18 has 10 and 8 more. 10 plus 8 more circles make 18. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here's our 18 ants. Now this number story is a little different because usually we know what our cross-off number is. But today, that's the mystery. We don't know what our cross-off part is. We know that we have 18 ants and we know that 6 are remaining, but we don't know how many ants were taken away. So let's identify our 6 ants that were remaining by circling them. Ready? Go. Kindergarten, give a thumbs up if you put one big circle around 6 of your ants. Nice job. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one part of our 18 from our number story. So we know that there were 18 ants altogether. We know that 6 are remaining. What we haven't figured out, though, kindergarten, is how many ants were crossed off or subtracted from 18. Take a look at our drawing. Do you see a number part that could represent how many ants were taken away? Got an idea in your brain? Give me a thumbs up. Nice work. Let's see what you came up with. Kindergarten, we identified the 6 ants that were left by circling them. That's one of our parts. Now all we have to do is to find the ants that were taken away from 18. When we take away, we use, that's right, we use cross-off marks. So everything that's outside of our big circle represents the ants that were taken away. Let's count how many ants there are. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There were 12 ants that crawled away. That means there are 6 left. 12 is our cross-off number, kindergarten. Give a thumbs up if you counted in the same way. Nice work. I knew you could do it. Kindergarten, we were able to identify the number of ants that crawled away by starting with the whole, the big number 18, putting a big circle around the 6 ants that were left or remaining, and then looking at all the ants that were outside of the circle. Those were the ants that crawled away. So we put X's on all of them and found out that there were 12. Our equation reads as follows. Read it with me. 18 take away 12 equals 6. 12 ants crawled away. Kindergarten, nice work working on a subtraction number story using a drawing model, a number bond, and an equation. Let's take a look at your packet work for today. Kindergarten, I think you're going to find today's packet assignment easy peasy lemon squeezy. You are going to read your subtraction number story, show your subtraction number story in the drawing, and then write a matching equation. Kindergarten, once you're done, make sure you take some time to enjoy some fun in the sun, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.